So, while that's cooking, I'm going to prepare my lunch for tomorrow. So, I've got paprika and for Athena as well. Get 2 paprika, wash it, put it on your chopping board, get your little knife, got my lunch box ready, and I've got Athena's. So, just chop your paprika, because you need snacks, like if you're out. Fills you up, gives you vitamins. So, that one's going in the lunch box. Chopped up. So, I'm going to put it in the fridge. When I get up in the morning, my lunch is ready. Okay. 1 apple. Wash it. So when you're out and about, when you're at work or whatever you're doing, then you can just reach for your crunchy stuff to snack on instead of reaching for sweet snacks or having to eat sandwiches with bread because you're so hungry. Right, so that's one done. There you go. And if you want to, like if you eat meat, you can put a bit of ham in. You can put a bit of salami in. Pack some salami so you can chew on that with your paprika. You can put a bit of dip in, whatever you've got. Right, so that's what I do. I've got a dip. It's just one that were on offer at Real. Okay. I haven't have knife in my jar. What got so? So you just put your bit of dip in at the side, just like that. Look. Just drop your dip in. Don't have to be fancy. And then you can dip your paprika and your salami on that side, and you got your apples on that side. That's it. That one's done. In the fridge. Athena's now. Same procedure. Get her a paprika done. The lunchbox a bit crummy. So drop that in a lunchbox. Okay, and an apple, wash it. And dry it. Chop. Athena can eat bread, so I usually do her a sandwich. Can do her one. And I get that bread from Lidl. It's a really nice one. Balanced Broat, it's called. It tastes really good. And it's not too bad on the carbohydrates. I've got my glasses on so I can't see it properly. That's the one I get. So that's what Athena's getting in her lunchbox. Oh, this lunchbox is too small. It's going to be filled up. See if it'll close. Oh yeah, it's got a big top on it. You can pile it in there. Right. That's Athena's done. Do a sandwich. I'll put some of that spread on instead of using butter. That one, that same one. Put her a bit of cheese on. And a tomato. Oh, I fancy having this myself. 1, 2, 3, that'll do. Pinch of salt. Bit of pepper. Yes, yeah, spoil. That's hers done. Right, so reuse the bag. So that one's hers. It's got enough there to keep her going all day. In the fridge. Right, because I got home so late. Okay, that's the prunes that I said. You could have put that in the bread as well. So next time I might make it with these. I got them from, oh, I don't even know. Penny. So stuff like that, you could put that in the mixture and bake it. Or you can get dried tomatoes and put in the mixture and bake it in the bread for a variation. Right. So, I know I've got home late tonight. I had so much to do and I was at school so long. That's still baking. So I've got vegetables to peel. I'm going to peel these and make a soup. There's parsnip, carrots and radish. So my soup base, I always make the soup base with onion. I peel my onions. chop them, I'll put some garlic in. And when I've peeled those vegetables, so I'll peel my onions, fry them, peel my vegetables, put those in, get my pot out. There's my pot. So I'll peel my vegetables, fry them, and then, peel the onions, fry them, peel the vegetables and put them on top, and then put my soup mix in, which I'm going to be using one of these. I got them from Real. I usually have a broccoli soup one, but you can use this one. It's ram gamuza and it's low in carbohydrates, so I like getting it. But you can get any. You can use the Kirby's one, that's a nice one from Knorr. I might even use it, just depends. Okay, let's get started. So I'm not going to make the video too long. I'm just going to start chopping the onions, okay? Because I'm sure you don't want to watch me doing this with the soup. And when the bread's ready, then I'm going to do a video to show you how it's turned out. Okay? When it comes out the oven. Alright, so I'm going to start chopping the onions. I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Okay, another thing you could do, like if you're home in the day, is have radishes for your snack attacks. They're in season, they're relatively cheap. So you get your radishes, just chop them off and just slice them. Drop them in a bowl. You can have them in the fridge. You can have them with your favourite dip. You can chop a tomato into them. If you want to sit, you know, like watching telly or whatever, and you need to have a little snack. You can have, you know, you just have them in the fridge, so when you come in, while you're cooking, you can be snacking. There you go. Let's chop them in a bowl. You can chop some tomatoes in if you want. I love radishes. And they're full of vitamins. They're good for you. Just to stop you reaching for stuff that you really don't want to eat if you're really, really hungry. You've got something in the fridge for your snack attacks. Okay, that's it. Like that. You could use that as a dip with your radishes. Well, put it in a bowl and then sit and dip your radishes. Okay, that's it. See you later.